greetings of the day. As part of the ongoing classes, now we are dealing with clauses. And today, in this class, we are going to look at the answers to exercise number 129 to 33. These are related to noun clauses. All these exercises we will see one by one. Exercise number 129 says, complete each of the following sentences by adding a noun clause beginning with that. Now here the answers will vary because only one part, one clause is given, the rest we are supposed to add. Depending upon our understanding, our ability, the answers would differ from person to person. Let's look at it. The first one is, it is uncertain. Dash that is given in the textbook. So it is uncertain, and you are supposed to complete with the noun clause beginning with that he will be taken back. Talking about an employee who has been sent out from a place and discussions are on, and now it is not sure, uncertain means not sure that he will be taken back. Next, the whole class heard dash. The whole class heard that it will be a holiday tomorrow. Announcement made by somebody, the principal or a vice principal or somebody, and everyone heard that it will be a holiday tomorrow. Next, Alice told me dash. Alice told me that I should return the book. I had taken a book from Alice, and now she told me that I should return it back to her. Next, it is disgraceful dash. It is disgraceful that you are involved in a crime. It is disgraceful that you are involved in a crime. Next, do you deny dash? Do you deny that he is a thief? Do you disagree? Deny means disagree. Now we move on to exercise number 130. Complete each of these sentences by adding a suitable noun clause beginning with the word in bracket. Okay, so here also the answers can verify. Find they have given a conjunction in the bracket. What is the word that is used for introducing or begin the clause next to it? It's given there. With that you have to add. Again, like the last exercise, the answers could vary. The first one says, I cannot tell what is the word given in the bracket. So this much is given in your book. I cannot tell what. The rest you have to add. And I have added, I cannot tell what I heard. It is a new process that I added. What is the conjunction they have given? And I subject, to is a verb. I cannot tell what I heard from him or somebody else, things like that. Okay. Next, I do not know where. Now, I do not know where to go or where he has gone. I do not know where he has gone. Next, it was obvious to Wellington how. How is a word given in the bracket? The first clause is it was obvious. Obvious means clear to Wellington. Wellington is the name of a person. Place all that is there. Anyway, let's understand here. This is the name of a person. So it was clear to Mr. Wellington what? How he reached there. How a particular person reached at a particular place. Next, can you tell me who? Who is the word given in the bracket, the conjunction. So can you tell me who did that particular act, that particular deed, who has done it. Next, my belief is, word in the bracket is that. My belief is that they have taken away everything. Maybe the thieves entering into a house, or somebody forcefully, like gundas or such people forcefully coming into house or office and taking everything. So my belief is that they have taken away everything. Now let's look at exercise number 131. 131 is to rewrite each of the following sentences. Okay, no instruction is given there. Now since it comes under the chapter noun clause, let's assume that it is of noun clause. So exercise number 131. The first one what they have given is that he was found guilty is true. That he was found guilty is true. That he was found guilty is the one clause, and is true, that it has to come as the subject. So it is true that he was found guilty. Okay, it is a fact, it is a truth. What is the truth? That he was found guilty. Okay, now you remember we studied about noun clause in a position. That is what it is actually. Next, whether Peter will help us or not is uncertain. It is uncertain that whether Peter will help us or not. It is uncertain that Peter will help us or not. Why? Question number 3. Why they refused the offer is not clear. It's not clear to us that why they refused the offer. It is not clear why they refused the offer. It is not clear why they refused the offer. That you have seen this man before is possible. There's a possibility that you would have seen this man. So it is possible that you have seen this man before. Next, that he was not consulted in the matter is strange. That he was not consulted in the matter is not strange. It is not strange that he was not consulted. It is strange that he was not consulted in the matter. Once again, it is strange that he was not consulted in the matter. Next is exercise number 32. Exercise number 132 says, combine each pair of sentences below into one sentence, changing the italicized sentence into a noun clause. The first one is written here. Where have we gone wrong? I don't understand. Where have we gone wrong? I don't understand. Combine these two sentences into one sentence, changing the italicized sentence into a noun clause. Where have we gone wrong is what is given in the italicized, and you have to change that into a noun clause. So I don't understand. The main clause that is given here is written first. I don't understand where we have gone wrong. Okay, it is like this. I don't understand where we have gone wrong. Okay. Next, what has become of him? I cannot tell you this. I cannot tell you what has become of him. I cannot tell you what has become of him. Next, what causes typhoid? Let us consider this. Okay, what causes typhoid is what is given in italicized. So let us consider what causes typhoid. Fine. Next, why had the attack failed? They could not understand that. Why had the attack failed is what is italicized. That only we have to change. So they could not understand why had the attack failed. Next, when will the train arrive? That is in italicized. Do you know this? When will the train arrive? Do you know this? Do you know when the train will arrive? When the train will arrive. That's all. Now we go on to exercise number 133. Combine the following sentences into one sentence, turning the italicized sentence into a noun clause. Okay, again you have to change into a noun clause. 133. You wind this clock every day. This is essential. You wind this clock every day. This is essential. It is essential that you wind this clock every day. That's how it is to be changed. What is essential? That you wind this clock every day. It is needed or necessary that you need to wind the clock. What is winding the clock? Now we don't have, you may not know this. Okay, now we all have quartz watches and quartz clocks. Okay, earlier quartz watches means that functions with a battery. You don't need to do anything. During my childhood days and all, we had winding watches and winding clocks, wall clocks. Okay, where you have to, what we normally used to say is giving key. Okay, there is in the watches, there is a button. You have to turn it, rotate it, wind it. Okay, doing it like this. Or the clock with a key and extra piece of metal that is provided, you have to wind the spring inside. So when we wind for 24 hours, it works. As the watch works, it unwinds, and again after 24 hours you have to wind it again. That process is what is mentioned here. Wind means rotating in the case of watches and clocks and all. Okay, the spring inside to tighten it. Okay, that's what we use it. Next, you have been careless in the matter. My opinion is this. My opinion is that you have been careless in the matter. Next, she should get married. This is the decision. It is a wise one. The answer is, it is a wise decision that she should get married. Next, number 4. What does the comedian say? We can't help laughing at it. So, we can't help laughing at what the comedian says. We can't help laughing at what the comedian says. Next, the baby will recover soon. The doctor is confident of that. The doctor is confident that the baby will recover soon. So that's all for the time being. I want to give you, please go through it and then check the answers that you have prepared. Thank you.